What is good, YouTube, man? It's the 𝙀𝗵𝗾𝗃 back here with another video. I don't know why them won't let me go, but yeah, man. Y'all boy, man, we back here with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and record this video for y'all boy. This is a oil can update on our car, man. Had it for a year now. Had an oil catch can for a year, y'all boy. So I'm about to show y'all boy that this oil catch can do work, man. Y'all boy, this oil catch can do work. You feel what I'm saying? And yeah, man, we had it for a year, and it's only right, man. This oil catch can do work, man. And I'm finna pull over to the side and show y'all boy that, yeah, man. So I'll be right back. It's kinda, y'all boy, if y'all do that vlogging while driving, that thing is hard to do. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boy, but you know what I'm saying, gotta get used to it. You feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The grind did not stop, y'all boy, man. Road to 2K out here, you feel me? So we gotta continue bringing bangers, man. I know y'all hear that seatbelt going off, man, but I'm literally like 2 minutes away from what I need to do to make this video, man, to pull over for y'all boy, man. So yeah, if y'all boy don't got an oil catch can, man, go ahead and get one, man. So yeah, man, I'm finna pull over and I'll be right back with y'all boy. So yeah. Alright, so we just got to the location. You feel what I'm saying? Scat right there. So yeah, man, it's 392 scat pack. You feel what I'm saying? So we gonna go ahead and open up this engine bay real quick for y'all boy. I know my engine bay dirty, man. So yeah, man, we are here for this video right here, man. We is here for this little guy right here. So yeah, man, we gonna see how much. I'm gonna twist this out for y'all boy, show y'all boy how much I've been collecting. You can see the oil and stuff around the seal. Ooh, almost dropped that thing. But yeah, man, so this is how much we collected so far. I think this is the most I ever let the I think this is the most I ever let the freaking JLT catch can got to right here. So this is a lot, man. I got this water bottle here, man. I know y'all gonna be like, yeah, that's disgusting, man, but this is a whole, I've been collecting this for a whole year now, like almost roughly a year. So I don't think y'all can see this strong, but yeah, I've been collecting this for roughly a whole year, y'all boys. So you know what I'm saying? This is how much a whole year. If you don't get an oil catch can, this is how much oil that can go in the engine, man, and it'll shorten the lifetime of your engine. So I advise y'all boy to get this oil catch can, man. So if y'all don't want to go through no problems with your engine, or if you want to send a head going out, or you know what I'm saying, it could be all many factors and all the other stuff for the oil to go in the engine. And you know what I'm saying, overall the oil catch can just help save your engine, man. That's just it, man. So yeah, bro, so look how black and nasty that is, man. And so yeah, as y'all see, I was pouring the oil inside the bottle right there. So yeah, man, y'all boy, this is a lot of oil, man, that I saved to go in the scat pack, man, because you know we don't need a scat pack going down. You feel what I'm saying, y'all boy? So yeah, so alright, so y'all boy, I'm just going to put this catch can, oil catch can, back on so it can keep on serving its purpose. You feel what I'm saying? So I got that thing on tight. So yeah, all right, man. So yeah, y'all boy, Alright, now I'm just making a video, that's it. Yeah, appreciate it. But yeah, man, y'all boy, that is the oil catch can. And you feel what I'm saying? Sound like we got a whole train in the back, man. But you know what I'm saying? I can't, you know what I'm saying? I can't let them boys stop the video. Can't let them boys stop the grind, cause you know what I'm saying? It's time to shine. No cap. But yeah, man, that is gonna wrap up the video, man. Y'all see what the oil catch can do, man. This is a whole year of oil that I prevented to go in the scat pack, man. Cause you know, like I said, we can't let the scat pack go down on us. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, if y'all boy like more videos like that, y'all like videos like that, let me know in the comment section. And let me know in the comment section of what kind of videos ideas y'all got for us to do for the scat, man. Y'all boy let me know, man, cause the scat right here, it feel like it needs something else to do. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, let me know in the comment section if y'all got anything else that we can do to the scat, or should we go ahead and trade it? Y'all boy let me know. Is it time to trade in the scat pack, or just keep on doing little things to the scat, man? Let me know in the comment section, man. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Make sure y'all boy like this video. Make sure we get 30+ likes on this video, and we be bringing more bangers to the channel, man. You already know it. It's the Hemi Twins, and we out.